Okay, number 4. The dot plot shows the lengths of the 12 trailers sold at a store last month. Which statement about the data is true? So here we have a graph that's giving us data, but in order for us to find what they want, which is the interquartile range and the range, we really need to list the data in order from least to greatest. Now you can see that the greatest number is 17 and the least number is 6, and you could subtract 6 from 17 to get the range, which would be 11, and you could eliminate 2 answers. But to get the correct answer, we do need to put these in order. So we're going to interpret our graph, and it looks like 4 of the trailers were 6 feet long. 2 of the trailers were 9 feet long. 4 of the trailers were 13 feet long. And 2 were 17 feet long. So in order to find our interquartile range, if you remember, we have to divide this data up into 4 sections, into quartiles. And the way we start with that is we first find our median. And so if we find our median, we're going to add these 2 numbers up, 9 and 13, which would be 22, and divide by 2. And so our median would be 11. And so we want to get the median of the first half. Which is going to be 6, because we take those 2 numbers and add them up. That's 12. And divide by 2, and that is 6. So this is our lower quartile. And we're going to get the median of our upper half. 13 plus 13 is 26. Divide by 2 is 13. This is our upper quartile. So our range, like we said, to get the range, we took the greatest number and the least number, and we were able to get 11. To get the inner quartile range, we're going to take our upper quartile, which is 13, and our lower quartile, which is 6, which gives us 7. So now we're looking for an answer that says the inner quartile range is 7 and the range is 11. Let's just double check this one. The inner quartile range is 2.75. That's not it. So our answer is G. And remember, anytime that you have a graph that you need to interpret, you have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. It's a really good idea every time you see a graph that you just go ahead and put those numbers in order to answer the questions.